Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus drive from the Amazon company. They are hiring for the virtual customer service associate. Job location is Noida. Okay, so any graduate, any pass out, any degree candidate can apply for the Amazon. As you all know that Amazon is a very big like it just like dream company for all the candidates, so everyone wants to join Amazon company. Okay, so any pass out candidate, any degree, any graduate candidate can apply for this Amazon virtual customer service associate position. Okay, so they have provided description here. Knowledge and skills required: you should have communication skills, basic computer knowledge skills, customer focus, problem solving skills. Okay, so in that communication skill, you should have excellent communication skill in a written as well as verbal, ability to communicate correctly and clearly with all the customers, excellent documentation skills, good comprehension skills, ability to clearly understand and state the issues customer present, then good composition skills, ability to compose grammatically correct, concise and accurate written response, work successfully in a team environment as well as independently. Then basic computer knowledge you should have, like Microsoft Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. Okay, so like that, ability to use a desktop computer system. So everyone have completed their MSCIT, so everyone having basic computer knowledge. Okay, so then customer focus, excellent customer service skills including maintaining focused on the customer issue in a fast paced environment, ability to emphasize with and prioritize customer need. It just like you need to give the priority to the customer, you need to understand the complaint or issues which are mentioned by the customer, and you need to give the response, good response on that, and you need to solve that as well. Either you need to solve via voice, chat, email, phone call, like that. Problem solving skills, as I told you earlier, effective problem solving skills including decision making, time management, immediate prioritization of tasks as assigned. You need to give priority for each task and you need to solve that task within that time, like that. Ability to approach problem logically and rationally, action oriented and self disciplined, and then organized and in detail oriented, ability to quickly and effectively prioritize work time in various departments to meet business rates. Okay, so all these are problem solving skills. Basic qualification needed: minimum qualification 10 plus 2. Okay, uh, like your till 12th or diploma graduate as well. Then any graduate, PG candidates are also eligible to apply, as they have already mentioned here. PG candidates are also eligible to apply. So here they have provided the company, Amazon company information, as already all the candidates know about this. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity for all the candidates who are seeking an job opportunity with the MNC company at Amazon. So please apply for this off campus drive. Click here to apply for this job. Okay, so please apply for this off campus drive from the Amazon company, and thanks for watching this video.